Um, I'm fat and I've gained weight, whatever, I don't really fucking care. But, this video that you're about to watch is a video from my best friend. She's clearly not coping well, but, she just wanted to make this video, I guess, to open people's eyes. I lost a really close friend the other day to an eating disorder. Her heart gave out. And it's really crazy because she was here one day and then she was just gone the next. And we didn't expect it. And it just really goes to show that you don't know when you're gonna die. You could die tomorrow. She was so young and she was so beautiful and she did not deserve this. After watching my best friend's video, the video you're about to watch, I've been thinking a lot of things, and it's making me want to just tell you guys to go live your life. You know, whatever it is that you're waiting on, whatever you're waiting for, or, you know, if you just aren't doing what you want, you know, just go do it. Because you only have one life, and you don't know when you're going to lose it. And if you're suffering from an eating disorder, it doesn't even have to be bad. You don't even have to be underweight. You don't have to be struggling for a long time to die from it. It can take you at any time. And the thing that really fucks me up is she never got a chance to be happy. She was always sad, and she was always going through a lot, and she never got to experience her life. But yeah, I'm not gonna edit this. I'm just gonna put my friend's video next to this one and just put it up. Real quick, I just want to mention I'm sorry I haven't uploaded. I'm kind of going through a lot, but it's chill. I'll upload soon. I'll update on all the shit that is going on. But I hope this video speaks some sense into some people. I hope it does something to you, and I hope it makes you understand something, anything. This video did a lot to my head, and I'm still a little fucked up over it, but I hope this video helps somebody out there. Love you.
So, I spent the last today, yesterday, and the day before eating. Non-stop eating. Binging. And normally, it would really fuck with me. It would make me super upset. Normally, if I was binging this much, I'd be sitting here, eating this pie, and crying. Not today. Not yesterday. Not the day before. That's because I'm emotional eating. The crust of this pie is like super solid, and so I'm struggling to cut it. It's because I'm emotional eating. And when I emotionally eat, I don't eat for the same reasons as I would normally. I eat to fill that hole, the pain, forget. And I'm in denial about a lot of things right now. And so I noticed before that I didn't really realize that I was eating. Like, I knew I was eating, but I didn't really realize that I was eating. And that's because I'm partially dissociating while eating, which is why I don't care about it. So I'm in denial of the food I'm eating, of the calories, of the weight gain, to the point where it's not bothering me. And I don't know when the emotional eating is going to stop. You know, something really bad happened in the eat community to someone who I would consider a friend, even though we weren't super, super close. Like me and my best friend Mickey. It wasn't that kind of close. It was, you know, we'd talk off and on for maybe like the last 6 months. It was a little conversation, but every time we talked, it meant something to me. And she was the sweetest human on the internet that I have found for, you know, there's not many of them. And she's gone now. And I'm eating to fill that void. Because I can't just go on Instagram and look at her story or talk to her. Because she's not there. And 2 days ago, even yesterday, I didn't really register that it happened. You know, I'd go on Instagram and expect for her story to be the first one that pops up. It just wasn't there. That I couldn't believe it. Like, it must not be real. It's not real. It's not real. But today it really hit me that it is real. And I have to face it. And there's nothing I can do about it. And it really makes you think. How are people going to react when I die? How will my family react if I die and then they discover all my accounts? Am I going to be remembered as the girl with an eating disorder? With terrible mental health? Or am I going to be remembered as the loving, caring daughter who tried everything in her power to be the best human she could be? And strangely enough, it's not enough to make me recover. It's making me dive deeper into my eating disorder. And I don't understand why. I guess it still doesn't feel real. It's like it's a really bad nightmare. I'm just gonna wake up one day and it's gonna be over. And she's gonna be there and I'm gonna message her and be like, hey girl, what's up? Where have you been? I don't handle grief very well. I try to pretend like it's not happening. It's not real. I'm hallucinating, you know? And maybe if I fill the void with food, these feelings will go away. Maybe it will go away. And I don't know how to heal or deal with it. I'm not even hungry. I don't even want this food. I'm just eating. I wasn't even gonna make a video about it. Any of it, but I just need to vent. Talk about how I'm feeling, and what I'm not feeling, what I'm trying not to feel. It's just one big nightmare. And I have friends that were way closer to her than I am. And if this hurts me, I can't imagine what they're going through. How much it's hurting them. What if it was one of them? What if it was one of them? It really puts a light onto how bad eating disorders can be. How dangerous. How any one of us could die at any moment because of our eating disorders. Because they have consequences. Everything you do has consequences. Is it worth it? It's not worth it. Starving yourself to death is not worth it. Keyword, death. What do you expect to get out of it? What do you expect to get from not eating? From not keeping enough food? Do you expect to stay healthy? Do you expect to have no health complications? Do you expect to still have a life? To have friends? To not have every other aspect of your life being destroyed? What do you expect to happen? Why do we still do this to ourselves? Why do I still do this to myself? Because it's not worth it. But we still do it. Even when we see the consequences play out. We still do it. And I'm probably offending a whole lot of people, but like, I'm just speaking what's on my mind right now. I don't want to die. And I don't want to die having the last thing that I think about being something eating disorder related. It really hurts. On this channel I always talk about the reality of eating disorders. But I don't think I've once talked about this. About this consequence. Because each and every one of us who have eating disorders are killing ourselves. Any eating disorder, we are all killing ourselves. Slowly. But how long will it take for your body to finally give up on you? A year? 2? 20? She was too young. All the time in life that you were wasting, being so consumed in this. Think about it. What is one thing that you've always wanted to do that you haven't because you're too busy thinking about your weight, your body, food? I challenge you to do the things that you want to do. Don't think about your eat for 1 minute. 1 minute. And do something that your eat has stopped you from doing. Fucking live. Just live. And just think about what you want to leave behind. What you want to be known for when you die. Think about everything that you would never get to do. And tell your mum or your dad or your sister or brother or best friend that you love them, that you appreciate them. Because at any moment it could be the last time you tell them. And this is such a morbid video, but I don't care. I just want to talk. I don't even think I'm going to edit this video. And I also challenge you to look yourself in the mirror and tell yourself that you love yourself. Tell yourself that you're worth it. I want you all to be happy, and I want you all to live your life. And be remembered for something positive. Do something that's good for your health. Sometimes when we suffer, we forget that others suffer too. The amount of times that I haven't gone to go see someone, spend time with someone because I've been scared of how that's going to correlate with my eating disorder. Right now, say fuck that and just do it. Spend time with that person. Tell that person you love them. That they're worth it. I know that's really hard to show sometimes, but it's worth it. You have so much love to give in this world. Try giving some to yourself. Because fuck, you deserve it. You deserve love. Everyone does. I deserve love. And when this happened, I felt so sick, and I cried so much. And the first thing I did was put down my phone and go and cuddle my mom, even though she was in a bad mood, and she cried with me. And that means so much. And every time I talk about her on here, I usually talk about the shitty things she does. What about the good things? Like putting down everything and just hugging me and crying with me for as long as I needed. That's a good thing. She is a good person, even if she doesn't always know how to show it. At the end of the day, she's still my mom. She will always be my mom. And I love her. Sorry, this is such a messy video. I'm gonna end the video and go blow my nose because it's running down my face, so that's attractive. Sorry, humor asking. And yeah, I'm gonna go. I love you all. You are all worth it. And do something that you haven't done because your eating disorder enables you.
Don't let your last thought be an eating disorder thought. Appreciate what you have today, and yeah. Take care of yourself, stay hydrated, and try to love what you have, even if it's not much.